Hello everybody, this is Mr. Bowman. Today we're going to be looking at the ALEKS topic, the probability of the union of two events. So we have two events, A and B, and the probability of A is 0.57 and the probability of B is 0.12. So we're going to be trying to find the union, or the probability of A or B happening in two separate instances. First when it's independent, and second when it's mutually exclusive. So A, when it's independent, the probability for this A or B scenario we've seen before, and it's equal to the probability of A plus the probability of B minus the probability of them both. So this is where we use or, we'll write and here. Or if you think about it in Venn diagram stance, the probability of something happening is the probability of the entire first circle plus the probability of this second circle minus this overlap, because you count it twice. You count it when you counted A and B. So I have to take one of those off so I don't double count that middle. So when they're independent, how can we figure this out? Well, we know the probability of A and B. They gave us those. But the probability of A and B we'll have to calculate. So whenever it's independent, the probability of A and B is equal to the probability of A times the probability of B. So I could rewrite this as, put an extra parenthesis here. Okay. So now I have it all broken down into terms of things I know. So the probability of A is 0.57 plus the probability of B, which is 0.12, minus the probability of 0.57 times 0.12. Okay. So when we grab our calculator and plug all of that in, let's see what we get. For the first part, so we can break it down into steps, let's do the 0.57 times 0.12. Okay, so we have 0.57 plus 0.12 minus 0.0684. Okay, so now I add those three up. .06. Ooh, almost added that. That won't work. And we get a total of 0.6216. Okay. Now, B is actually a little bit easier, because if they're mutually exclusive, that means they can't happen at the same time. So this probability of A and B is 0 for any mutually exclusive things. It's like trying to flip a coin and get heads and tails. It's not going to happen, right? They're on opposite sides. So anytime they're mutually exclusive, that means that this is 0. So we just have to find the probability of A plus the probability of B, which we already did. So 0.57 plus 0.12, add those up and you get 0.69, which are the two probabilities you are looking for.